Christian sits by the pond. Her work is always on undergraduate admissions. Yep, that is her mission. Working with the vlogs and hanging with the frogs.
My name is Ashley Gray. Now everyone say hey! I film the sports games, which really entertains the people at the school. Yeah, Eastern definitely rules.
I work in undergrad admissions. Yeah, this is Jocelyn. Facebook marketing and friending perspectives is all me. The ads for this school, I do are really cool. Admissions counselors are my friends. Why don't you come meet them?
My name is Ashley too. What I do is really cool. Eagle Learning Center is where I work. SEO is on the alert.
Communications is what's up with April, Tam, and I, but video editing is my niche. I guess it really clicks with Team Quincy on the prowl. Everyone give a howl!
Tim's your chef a lot, so it's really no surprise. Working night and day, he still finds time to play. Shooting hoops is for him, so leave it up to Tim.
Some play basketball, some dance, and we even make some plans to go hang out with our friends. Don't cause any mayhem. To be a Howard